This video is in continuation with my previous video where we have discussed about basic levels of sorting. Now in this particular video we will be discussing multi-level sorting and customer or custom order sorting. So what is multi-level sorting? During the basic sorting, what we have learned is sorting with a single column. When it comes to multi-level sorting, we should be able to do sorting at multiple columns. Say, I'll take a typical example. Let's say I wanted to sort by city and experience of the people. What we can do here, I'll sort by city at first level, and on the second level I'll sort by experience. What will happen? Let's say for example all this employees of Mumbai would be listed in this proper order, and within the Mumbai people I will be able to sort people with low experience to highest experience, or highest experience to lowest experience. It might get confused if we speak more in this. So better we take a case and try to solve it and see. So here in the question number 4 on multi-level sorting, what we see. Sort by department in the A to Z format, which means it's in the ascending format, and then by salary from highest to lowest. So what does this question actually explain? You have to sort all the employees through the department. So all HR employees will be in the one order, and then all marketing employees will be in the order, all IT department people will be in the order. This order of the departments would usually get into ascending order in the alphabetical level, starting from A to Z. If I have to do basic sorting, what will happen? I'll just click on department. I'll go to sorting option, just click A to Z, starting from finance, then to HR, and then to IT, and the employees of marketing are listed in order, and then followed by operations and so on. So this is how the employees are being sorted if it is a basic sorting. I'll just say quick Control Z so that I'll come to the original data set. Here, when I talk about sorting at multi-levels, what I'll have to do, I'll just explain you in a very simple way. You just go to sort and filter as usual. Till now, we have used either A to Z or Z to A. But here what we have to do, we'll just go to custom sort. So don't get confused. Custom sort and custom order sort are not same. When I'm saying custom sort, I'm performing multi-level sorting through the option custom sort. Okay, this is my custom sort window that I have. You can see here the option add level. By default, there is one level of sorting which is already available to you. Just read the question on which column they wanted the sorting to be done. So they have clearly mentioned sort by department is the column. So here by default it is showing joining date. But what I'll do, why it is showing joining date? Because my cursor is active there. Now what I'll do, I'll click here, joining date. What is that I have to use is department. I'll go click on department. Now it is asking cell values can be by default there. Now when it comes to order, which order I wanted, it should be A to Z. So first level sorting is mapped. Now what should I also map? In the second level I have to map salary highest to lowest. So click on add level. Here you go and select salary, and it is by default showing smallest to largest, but I actually wanted largest to smallest. So once you have mapped two levels of sorting, at first level I have mapped department, and in the second level I have mapped salary. Now just go click on OK. You see that department column is sorted, and along with the department column my salary column should also be sorted. Now I have all the finance employees here. Where is the last finance employee in the list? Here. Diana is the last finance employee, and the salary is 25,395. And the first employee in finance here in the list is Eddie Burnett, and the salary is 1,19,493. So in the department column, all the finance employees are sorted. All the employees department is sorted in the order, in the alphabetical order from A to Z, and simultaneously even the salary column is sorted to start with highest salary of the employee of that department till the lowest salaried employee of that department. This is with finance. Now you go with HR. It again started with highest salaried employee in HR till lowest salaried employee in HR. So this way sorting is done at multiple level. In this case we have actually seen sorting at two levels. If you further wanted to make the sorting, you can even do the sorting in three levels or four levels also. But it's just that based upon the size of the data, the impact of the multi-level can be seen. For 1,000 employee records, it might not be able to see you a greater change or greater impact by conducting three level of sorting. So two level of sorting is fairly good. Doing a three level of sorting will make your data into smaller pockets. Clear? That's about your sorting at multi-level when it comes to department and salary. Let us go to the original data set. I'll just quickly give you Control Z. I'll go to original database and we'll take you through the next question. What is the next question? Sort by city in A to Z format and then by experience in Z to F format. Now you can do it quickly. So I just need to go again to sort and filter, custom sort. What is the first level sorting I have to do? The first level sorting is in city and that is into A to Z, which is already there. Then go add level. The next level sorting I have to done it's through by experience and that should be Z to A, which means largest to smallest. Click on OK. Now you see it is sorted. Look at the experience, the top experience on the top. Yeah, first level was it is city first, you have to see. City has been sorted. First comes Bangalore, which is starting with B, so it is always on the top. Then we have Chennai, then we have Delhi, so it is absolutely sorted in the alphabetical order in the form of A and Z, A to Z. And then it looks to experience. One with the highest experience is listed on the top, one with lowest experience is listed in the bottom. Here you see in Bangalore, Jason Cox is only having 1 year's experience, and in same Bangalore, the highest experienced person is Jordan Johnson. So this is how the multi-level sorting is done. You can see in every city, you have person with highest experience in the first and person with lowest experience at the last. Next, we will try to understand custom order sorting. Again, I'll just wanted to make my data original by giving Control Z so that my last operation can be cancelled. Now we are trying to understand what is custom order sorting. Again with a simple question. Create a custom order sorting for status. Status is a single column. So usually custom order sorting can be applied onto the single column or it can also be applied onto the multiple column. It's just like till now we have done the ordering of the data set either from smallest to largest or largest to smallest if it is numbers. If it is characters or text, we have either sorted from A to Z or Z to A. When it comes to custom order sorting, you would want to say, I don't want it in A to Z format, or I don't want it in lowest to highest format or highest to lowest format. I wanted the order which I wanted to decide. The order of displaying the values or the order of displaying the data set should be as per my convenience. That's where we call customization. As per the customer's requirement, you can create the order of the data set, which is when we will be able to use custom order sorting. Let me quickly take you through that. What is the question number 6 here? Create a custom order for the status as active, on leave, resign. These are the three orders which I want. By default, A is in the alphabetical order first, then O on leave, and then starting with R. It usually looks like alphabetical sorting only, A to Z. But even if you wanted to shift it like A first, then R resign first, and then come on leave, you can still do that. You can change the order and practice when you learn this concept also. Any which ways, quickly I'll take you through this particular question. Click on anywhere in the data set. Click anywhere in the data set. Go to sort. Go to sort. Get onto custom sort. Now here you're going to apply it on which column? Create a custom sort order for status. Status is the column that we have. So go select status. The cell value will remain same. We don't need to change that. Then instead of A to Z order, you have to go for, so neither you wanted the order of A to Z, nor you wanted the order of Z to A. What do you want? The custom order. Click on the customer order. Then here you have to make the entry. Forget about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Don't look at the predefined list which is already there. Just select new list, go to the list entries, and there you give the order that you want. So I wanted active, comma, separate your order by comma, on leave, comma, and then what I want, resigned. Just add this, and you can see that the order is created here. Then click on select that order, click on OK, then say active, on leave, resigned. This is the order we want. Click. Now you see the data set is sorted. First in the first active is coming out there, then you have on leave, and then you have resigned. So this is how you perform custom order sorting. Again, I'll take my data to the original order by giving Control Z, and I solve you my next question. So create a custom sort order for department. Now I need to do this for department. Click the cursor on any of the dataset values, go to sort and filter, custom sort, and from the custom sort, which is the column you have to do, department, go to department, the cell value remains same, and from the order we have to select custom list, select the new list here, go to list entries. If you wanted to remove the old one, active on leave, you can remove that. You can always do. In fact, you can remove all the other entries which you do not want it. Go to new list now to solve the current problem. Here the order is HR, comma, okay, HR, finance, IT, operations, marketing. Now you see that the list which is created here is not in the alphabetical order. You have started with H, but usually F comes first here, right? And then HR, then again you went to I, then you said O, but then again you went to M. So the order is juggled. It's neither in ascending nor in the descending order. So now let's say click on OK. The list is created, the order list is created. Then just click on OK. Just check whether you got the data. You're getting the data in the proper order. So the department is a column where we have applied it. The first thing that we wanted is HR, and HR is on the first. And what was the next? Finance, IT, operations. You see that next finance is there, and then we have IT, and then we have operations, and then marketing, and finally you have sales. So the custom order sorting has been successfully done. So this is how you'll be able to done custom order sorting. So in these two videos, what we have learned: basic sorting, multi-level sorting, and custom order sorting. Don't forget, as you perform sorting, you also have one more option here called filters. So you can even do filters, and this concept of filters is very well connected with sorting. So filters and sorting go hand in hand when you start working in Microsoft Excel. So till now, in my last two videos, we have learned about sorting. In my upcoming videos, we'll be taking you through filters and advanced filters, whatever we have. Thank you.